One small change to your daily routine can make a world of difference. Drinking one green juice daily is one of the absolute best things you can do for your health, weight loss, and beauty goals. That's because green vegetables are the optimal food for regenerating, purifying, and healing your body. Drinking your greens doses your body with a highly concentrated blast of powerful, instantly absorbable nutrition that can have remarkable transformative effects from the inside out. Healthy glowing skin. One of the benefits of drinking green juice daily is it is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins C and E. Green juices aid in healthy skin. These antioxidants help to rid your skin of harmful toxins which may lead to acne or sun damage. Vitamin A, on the other hand, is crucial for cell growth and regeneration. In addition, green juices are hydrating, and adequate hydration is an essential component in skin care. Improved energy. When you eat, or drink, better, you certainly feel better. One serving of green juice provides an extremely rich dose of essential nutrients that your body needs every day. Giving your body the nutrition that it needs to convert your food to energy, such as vitamin B12, allows you to shake that sluggish feeling without reaching for caffeinated beverages. Weight loss. Another benefit of drinking green juice daily is how it can assist people in losing weight by being a substitute for typical snacks, breakfast, or lunch. This is also a great way to keep up your results after your juice cleanse is complete. The benefits of doing a green juice cleanse are numerous. Intended as a detox, many people find that the greatest benefit of this process is weight loss. As toxins are eliminated from the body and nutritional needs are met, it comes as no surprise that green juice cleanses also allow you to drop a few pounds. Amino acids. Leafy green juices are excellent sources of amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Here are a few symptoms of amino acid deficiency that you can reverse by drinking your greens every day. Difficulty losing weight. Thin, lackluster hair and brittle nails. Bags under your eyes. Insomnia. Frequent colds. Overall health. The vitamins and antioxidants found in green juices work together to improve your overall health. Not only do the antioxidants and vitamins detox your skin, they aid in removing toxins from your entire body. This makes the process much easier for your liver, in particular, but the effects can be felt from head to toe. To maximize green juice benefits, they should be consumed on a daily basis. It's important to consume a variety of green vegetables because each has its own unique nutrient profile. That's why we've launched our newest way to juice, green juice a day.